Welcome to Wayside Dairy. We are located here in Wayside, Wisconsin. We milk over 2,000 cows. Our first experience with Cow Manager was in August of 2020. We heard a lot of good things about it and felt like it was a good decision at the time. When the system was installed, we saw immediate value. 2 years ago, we were sitting at about a 33% preg rate. And ever since we've been on Cow Manager, we're up to 38 for the year, and we're still climbing on those numbers. The metritis events have been a huge success for us. We've really dropped in metritis. DAs have also dropped in the process, and so that's been an overall great thing for the dairy. The modules we use in Cow Manager are the fertility module, the nutrition module, and our favorite is the health module. The health module has helped us become more profitable just by finding those sicker cows quicker. As soon as these cows drop in milk a little bit, we're told that the sickness is there and it might be mild, but they get back on their feet a lot quicker. So that leads to more profit by helping them feel better, getting them to eat more, drink more water, and getting them lying down. That's when they really make their milk. As far as our payment plan goes with the Cow Manager system, we get billed monthly for all the different parameters that we have. The fertility, the nutrition, the health, and the Find My Cow. The return is really very quickly. What it does is it allows us to spend more time with the animals that need more attention so that we can take care of the animals that need the attention instead of just walking through the herd and trying to pick out just with your own eyes who's not feeling well. I would definitely recommend Cow Manager to other dairy producers. It helps us in our everyday management of the cows, and especially with our breeding program and our health program.